Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in front of you, this is an art of Vietnamese culture. This is one of Vietnamese heritage, which is Bengali. And Bengali and one is one of Vietnamese heritage, which is the type of things that they are wearing each day, every day, daily. And this is the one of they applicated. It is on a woman. They wrap the Bengali on their head as the tools to cover up their head, because in Vietnamese, which is really close with the Islam, a woman can go out without covering their hair.
So I have a question.
What's it?
Temengoli. So is this Temengoli used only by women?
No, because this is just the one of the way to applicate it. Okay, come, see here. So, as you can see here, this is a Vietnamese heritage. One of the greatest heritage they left for us. This is a traditional clothes of Vietnamese. And here, look at here. This is the one of way to applicate the Bengali also, but it's for a man, for a male. Because if woman wearing the Bengali on their neck, the man will wear the Bengali on their wrist as a belt or accessories. So, as you can see here, this is one of types of traditional clothes here. This is the simo one. This is usually wearing by the child of the sultan, which is the younger. This is the older, and this is the middle, and this is the most elegant one is wearing by the sultan itself.
Okay, I see. Surprisingly, Bengali has several color and pattern, and they have used in hair.
Yeah, there's several ways to applicate it. Sambolo.
Okay.
Sambolo and sambolo.
Sambolo.
Yeah, sambolo. There is their own types of each way to applicate it. Sambolo is one of the types that you can see.
This is the
Gold.
Gold.
Yeah, the Bengali with the gold on the tende itself.
this is the real gold or
Usually for the sultan, it's the real gold,
Oh,
because
wow.
it represents the mighty of sultan itself. Cut. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, because we're talking about the Temengoli, this is the specific of Temengoli. There are several types of Temengoli. This is the first one. As you asked me, the Sambolo, this is the usual Temengoli pattern for Sambolo, which is Weri. Weri is one of belt or the pattern for Sambolo, because it's very daily by the people around the castle. And then, yeah, this is the most iconic one. This is the expensive. This is the beautiful renda motif or pattern. So, renda pattern is something that really representative, something that expensive, because usually for pattern. So, renda pattern is originally from the renda village. There, they use the most expensive stuff to make it. As you can see, there is a lot of pattern, a lot of colors here, and the stuff also is really hard to find, and they make it with the long term.
Wow! What the reference of this pattern here?
Oh, this pattern has the reference of Puhaju, which is mean pohon, or in Vietnamese in English is tree, which is and the next buah paria, or we known as how to say it? Pare in English. I don't know the English what is it. And the line here is to representative that we keep the culture. And then the next, this is motif musuwaru. This one. Motif musuwaru has mean pentagram. It is 8 of characteristics as the Sultan of Bima.
Okay, Musuwaru motif are more simple than motif renda.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the rest of this the other type of motif. It has no specific meaning like musuwaru or renga. And last but not least, as you can see here, this is the main source of our tour today. This is the Temengoli maker, or people call it Muna. So Muna, let's say it means Muna. Muna. Yeah, Muna is the tools to make Temengoli, and it took long time to make one of Temengoli. That's why Temengoli is really expensive, especially the Renda one, because it contains a lot of color, a lot of pattern, and some complicated things. And yeah, this is for the clothing. As you can see, this is a lot of documentary. This is Muna on 1980. This is one of the patterns. For Samboran Putra. This is also. This is actually for the belt. And others the same. Yeah, I think that's all of our tour today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We're going back